Yes, sir, this gentleman.
How to get employee buy-in?
How to get employee buy-in to employee buy-in to what?
To actually do it.
To actually do a pre-test plan.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, by the way, another honest guy, right? Yes, sir.
Hi, Barry. Scalable context. My carpenters, for example, can be doing exo-air on the outside of a perimeter of a building, several stories in the air 1 month, and then they're installing cabinets
Yeah.
inside of a residence the month after.
Right.
I want that scalable context, right?
Yeah.
They're different.
Yeah, that's exactly, yeah. How do we scale this? Again, we use a lot of this "it" word as kind of a crazy word, this activity. Because first of all, you have like they're all over the place, and then they're doing all kinds of stuff, and there's not that many of us, right? So there's, and it moves. It's also very fluid, right? Yes, sir.
I would say maybe encourage worker feedback, having like that apprentice ask that question instead of maybe being nervous too.
God love you. That's right. So how do you create an environment where people actually want to participate in a conversation, right?
Yeah. I mean, what % of your pre-test plans are recitals versus an actual conversation? Are they being just spoken to?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Reading a piece of paper? Any questions? You know what that means? It means time to go. No one ever says, "Oh yeah, I have a question."
So this is super good. And by the way, we're going to get to the more we have this kind of dialogue about the truth, the more we can really kind of get past all the bullshit, and we can get down to like, okay, what are the real problems that we're talking, and that's what we want to talk about today. So this is the meat and potatoes. What else? Yes, sir.
Constantly changing, like tasks throughout the day, and conditions being changed. Like some things that you can address in the morning, but by lunchtime, it's completely different.
Right.
So how do you pre-task plan a changing condition or a changing task?
Like a post-task plan.
Well, it's and there's post-task, and then creating an environment where people actually want to think about what's going to change. I mean, change is a huge dimension to this. Obviously, we're not going to solve all these problems today, but we're going to talk about all this directly. So far, nothing in here. Anything from over here? Anything else? Like, Barry, please do this, or I'd love to hear about that. Anything? Okay.